in the last video we generate this test bench file for this register. Now we want to simulate this, so we can see here we have tested it here, and we're gonna simulate this one. So this should be Q. So let us launch now our ModelSim. Okay, let us compile our file. So what we need to compile is the register and the test bench. Compile, done. And then let us simulate the register. And then let's add all the signal in the wave. And then let us simulate this nanosecond. And let's run all. No. So now we can see that we don't have any errors that have been detected. And then let us add our next value and current value. And just let's stimulate again. So now we can see that here we have our clock and our load and our reset, and this is the generated value. So we can see here we have generated these 20 inputs, and we can see that at first time when we start our simulation, when we start our simulation, we need to reset our register. So we can see that our register, you can see the next and the current. First we set to 0 because it happened the next clock, we reset it. And then when we give the different inputs, for example 2, 0 and 5, those are only activated on the output when the load is high. So we can see when the load is high, the answer, the value will be transferred to in the next clock. So we can see, for example, here we have a positive edge, and the next positive edge is here. So then the 4 value will be available. So we can see that the number 5, we don't take it. So we can see only when the load is high we are taking the values, and then the value are always delayed 1 clock. And here, for example, when we reset things, we can see that our value becomes 0. And then you can see the values are only available in the next clock. So for example 6 here, they are available in the next clock. So the first clock here, the next clock when the load is high. So this is our register, and it works how we have designed it here. And in the next video we're gonna look at the ring counter and how we're gonna design the ring counter.